So I'm currently on a J train that is terminating at Hewes Street. This is like very rare. It's literally terminating at Hewes Street. Yo, this is crazy. I'm at Lorimer Street right now.
There are 150 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station.
This is a Hewes Street bound J local train. The next and last stop is Hewes Street.
See? Last stop, Hewes Street. And I'm trying to go to 125th Street on the AC, B, and D lines from here. And it's terminating at Hewes Street. This is crazy. No?
The R160.
To Hewes Street. Next stop is Hewes Street. This is like the worst MTA shenanigan I've ever heard of. Nah.